Hello and welcome to the online workshop. You are going to be able to create beautiful albums like this, which you would have already seen already on my social media, and if not, skip back down the way and you will see. Okay, so you're going to be able to make these are finished ones, but what we're going to make in the online workshop is these. Now, many of you may have not have done one of my online workshops yet. So with my online workshop, you get your supplies and I supply the PDFs with the written instructions and also the scoring and cutting guide. And with this workshop, it's going to be in inches and in centimetres. So this is going to appeal to many of you all over the world, which I know is fabulous. If you want to purchase the kits are available from Pink Frog. I'll leave a link below along with the link to where to purchase the glue that I've also used in the workshops, which is the fabulous Pink Frog EVA glue. So this is also acid and lignin free. So this is what I have used through this whole project, and I've also used the Pink Frog fine nozzle bottles. These actually come in a pack of 2, but I've just used the larger of the 2. And when you're doing these this project, you'll find you don't use much of this glue. This isn't like other glues, okay? It's really strong, and a little excuse me, a little goes a long way. I filled mine up to here, and by the time I'd finished my project, it was only to there. So you'll see how a little goes a long way with this glue, and that is the feedback I've had from ladies that have purchased this in my classes. So I'm going to be just using the glue and the kit. Okay, now I know many of you are in parts of the world where you can't actually purchase a kit to be sent to you because they don't send a kit to your country. Doesn't mean to say you can't join in, because you can, because this is a Dawn's Inspirations online workshop, which means everybody in the world can get involved. What you're going to need, okay, what you're going to need is you're going to need 12 by 12 sheets of cardstock in acid lignin free. I would go no lower than a 250 GSM. Okay, personally up to 300 GSM is better, but I would not go any lower than a 250 GSM. So for the construction of the main album itself, you are going to need 11 sheets of 12 by 12 cardstock. Okay, for the matting or the accent, you're going to need 15 sheets of 12 by 12 cardstock, and this is in a coordinating colour to go with your background colour. However, you don't need to do it like I've done here with the cardstock double matting. Personally, I think that gives a really opulent look. And if you go and add just pattern papers on the top, which you would have seen, even with the double matting, I'll bring it up, even with the double matting and then adding your cardstock on top, I think it gives it a really professional, solid look. It looks absolutely beautiful. You can make it stretch by, instead of using your 15 sheets of extra coordinating card, you go on with pattern papers. So you're just going to do your main construction of your album and use your pattern papers. Okay, that's just single format, but all will come clear in the workshop. So basically you're going to need enough 12 by 12 cardstock in acid and lignin free, and a good glue that is also acid and lignin free. That way you can preserve all your photographs and memorabilia in the correct way. So if you'd like to join me in the workshop, you know just to press the button here. Not a problem at all. With my workshops, they're not a one-trick pony. Once you've purchased it, you can watch it as many times as you wish. Whether you want to watch it this week, next week, next year, The choice is entirely yours. In the workshop, there's going to be video to do the cutting and scoring in real time, and I will be doing it with you in real time. There's the video then for the construction. I've broken it down to 2 videos to make it easy to follow, and it's all done in real time, and I've not gone at a fast pace like TV demo fast pace. It's at a slower pace, real time. Many of you have done my workshops before, so you know how they work. But if you haven't, in the confidence, you know you're going to enjoy it. And it's a workshop that you're going to come back to time and time again. So I'm Dawn McPhee, Dawn's Inspirations. If you want to join in with my online workshop, press the button and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.